Welcome to a Good Enough Lap Guide Short in the Mazda MX-5 at Summit Point Jefferson Circuit, your lap guide to move up through the splits. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video, check out my YouTube channel, Jay Holland. For turn 1, we're going to brake about 30 feet before the barrier on the left. And then our turn-in point will be as we're approaching the end of the barrier on the left. For turn 1, it's going to be a middle apex. And then you're going to want to hug the curb all the way around on exit. For the kink, you can cut. For turn 2, you'll cut over the curb. Just be careful as you go over the curb to not be full throttle. For turn 3, it's going to be an early apex. And then you're going to want to hug the curb through the middle of the corner. This is where you're going to want to get back on throttle. You can see the curb tightens to the left. That's your indicator. We're then going to let the car float out naturally to the middle of the outside lane. Once you get to the middle of the lane, you'll begin your turn in for turn 4. This could be a good passing opportunity if you get a better exit out of 4 going into 5. For turn 5, we're going to brake about 20 to 30 feet before the dirt on the right. You're going to want to carry a good amount of speed into the corner. It's going to be a middle apex. And once you reach that apex, you'll be on the throttle. If you guys are finding this video useful, please hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. For turn 6, we're going to brake just before the tire barrier starts on the right. It'll be an early apex for the corner. You want to leave the car about 2 feet off the apex so you can get the best arc going into turn 7. You'll then let the car float out. You want your left side tires over the white line in the middle of the track. As you get to that point, we'll begin our turn in for turn 7. You'll get back on the throttle where the shadow of the pole crosses the track. And then you'll have a late apex for turn 7. Don't touch the curb. And that's your Good Enough Lap Guide Short in the Mazda MX-5 at Summit Point Jefferson Circuit. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video, check out my YouTube channel, Jay Holland. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'm doing these every week, and I'll see you in the next one.